All right, this is May 4th through 8 lesson plans for second grade. So let's take a look here. This is our focus, Unit 9, Week 2. Our unit theme is buyers and sellers. Our essential question, the thing we're thinking about as we're reading this week is how do the goods we make, buy, and sell connect us? For phonics, we're going to be doing the schwa. And basically, the schwa is vowel sounds in the middle of words. So, and sometimes they can change a little bit. So, our spelling words for this week are like, about, above, and see that O there makes the of sound. It's not really a long O or a short O. It's kind of a, it almost sounds like a short U. Okay, alone, again, and again is kind of a little bit different in the schwa. Along, ago, awake, ahead, away. Okay, our high frequency words, again, I'm sorry for some reason when it printed, it got all jumbled. Our high frequency words are the common words we use on a regular basis: ago, quickly, government, scientist, half, thousand, machine, understood, pair, and wait. And our review words are whole, easy, carefully, vowel behind, remember, able, sure, and common. And able, sure, and common are down at the bottom here. So there's able, sure, and common. So for for second grade, we have our list of our spelling words for the week. And you're going to go through and also do each of your spelling words 3 times and write 2 sentences using some of the words. And again, you should be able to do all of this independently. And then we're going to get into our topic 12, measuring length, lesson 1. And again, I'll have separate YouTube videos for all of the math that we teach. Okay? For Tuesday, you have 2 worksheets that you're going to complete. The first one is the No More Junk Food Ads. So you're going to read an article from Juan Santiago, and he's going to talk about why there shouldn't be any more junk food ads or commercials. And then you're going to go ahead and answer the questions on the back in full and complete sentences. You guys have been doing this since the beginning of the year, the reading comprehension, so you'll do great on that. You're going to put the words in ABC order. What's interesting about this, you may have already noticed, they all start with the letter A. So what you'll have to do is take a look at the second letters and figure out which would come next. So we have W, L, W. Oh, look, we've got 2 W's, another L, another L. This one has a B, G, B, G, H. So we've got 2 with B. So we've got above and about. So we'd have to look A, B, O, A, B, O, A, B, O, U, and V. So take a look at the bottom. U comes before V, so we know that about would be our first letter in alphabetical order. Okay, so our alphabetical order, again, you've been doing this since the first week of school. It's getting a little bit trickier. So again, you're going to be going further along the word to see which letters would come next. And then you're going to do your homework practice 12-1. These math lessons are not very long. So if you have some extra time and you'd like to do an iReady math lesson or try out Pathblazer or Trailblazer, Pathblazer, you're welcome to try that out as well. Okay, so that was for Tuesday. For Wednesday, you're going to write a sentence for each spelling word. So here's the spelling words you guys are very familiar with now. And make sure each of your sentences have at least 7 words, a capital letter, and a period at the end of each sentence. And then, again, I'll have separate YouTube links for your lesson 12-2 math. Okay, let's take a look at Thursday. Thursday is going to have your spelling boxes with the correct order. And again, you want to go through and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's a 5-letter word. And then we know that the second letter hangs down just a little bit. So if you draw a straight line across the bottom line of each of the words, you're going to look for a letter that hangs down below the line. Look at that again, that G, the little hook in again. In the G there is going to let us know it's going to go there. If it's above the line, you're going to take a look at it. So take a look, and it helps you take a look at where letters need to be when you're writing them. And then we're doing our homework practice 12-2. And then let's take a look for Friday about what we have here. On Friday, we're just basically doing a roll and read, and you're going to go through and read these sentences to a friend, to a family member, maybe aloud to yourself. So we're looking at our words. We've got ago and government, half machine, pair quickly, scientist, thousand, understood, wait, and mixed. And these are all different words that have just different, what am I trying to say? They don't follow the patterns of having these words in it. They just are mixed sentences that might be parts from the other ones. So that should be pretty easy. Again, if you don't have dice, you can just go through and pick some and read it. And then lesson 12-3 is your final math lesson for this week. And then we also have our Scholastic News. Again, this will be in a separate link for you to take a look at. But it's This Plant Stinks, and you can go through and do the lesson plans that go along with that. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you so much.